Greetings from Clasheen. It's a very mild but very windy day, so apologies about the poor sound quality. I need to organise a new mic for taking these videos. But I wanted to share a little tip with you today if you're planting eucalyptus trees. It came from the breeder where I have got quite a few different varieties of trees for my larger plot. I have over 900 eucalypts down there, but I also have some interesting ones here behind the house, and thank you so much, Brendan. I'm absolutely in love. This here is a globulus that I was planting this morning. So Brendan's tip is when you're actually planting the eucalypts, cover the bottom few centimetres or couple of centimetres with soil or compost, whatever you're using as well, and that will really help it establish well. And then from the perspective of somebody who's going to be using the trees for eco printing, you can let them establish for a year or so, and then if you want, cut them almost right back down to the ground and they'll really sprout up. Now I have a few examples of trees that have sprouted very well from the bottom here, and this would be one. This is a parvifolia. I rescued it from a garden centre and it cost me €2. It was very, very tall and skinny. I need to obviously weed around the base now, but it was way, way, way taller. I just trimmed it back there last year and look how much it's sprouting. I could probably have taken a chance and trimmed it to the bottom, but I didn't. But I'll trim that top bit back down again now. So many of the trees here are very young, like this really tall one here that you can see in the middle of the photo. That one there is actually only planted 3 years. So eucalypts grow very fast in our soil if they're a large growing tree, and much slower if they're slow growing, obviously. So you can have a variety in a garden, but it is important to make sure you have space if you're going for big ones such as the globulus or the cordata. Anyway, over and out from Clasheen today. That's my tip. If you're planting eucalypts, plant the bottom few centimetres well under the soil, and that will really, really help you get a good, nice, strong, healthy tree. So over and out from today. Talk to you again later in the week.